If you've ever found yourself needing to convert a text string to columns in Excel, you might use the text to columns wizard. However, the new Textsplit function makes that process a lot more efficient. Let's start here in cell B5. I'll say equals text split. Now the Textsplit function is a very new function in Excel that's only available in the Microsoft 365 package or in the Microsoft Web App version. Let's start here with the arguments. I have two arguments that are required, text and column delimiter. By default, Excel will take your text string and split it down into columns. So I'll choose my text first, which would be this A5, comma. Next is the column delimiter. How do I want Excel to space out these texts into columns? I'll choose the delimiter in my text string. Here I see I have the last name, comma space, city, comma space, state. So I'm going to go ahead and use that comma and space for Excel to know where to split my text. I'll say in quotes because it's text, comma space, quote. Close it out, push enter, and take that formula and copy it all the way down my cells. And here we have the text split function.